Alright guys, welcome to a brand new video. Now today my car, the E92, is getting an oil change. But not just that, we're giving it some new wing mirrors. The paint on the wing mirrors is kind of coming off. I'll show you that right here. Yep, there you go. You know, the paint's not doing too well. So I'm gonna get them replaced with some new ones. Let me show you those. Right here. Nice. So yeah, these are the wing mirrors right here. Got the little winglets on the side, just like an M3. This ain't no M3, this is 328. So yeah, first we'll do the oil change. I was joking, this is not my car, this is my dad's car. But either way, we're changing stuff on it. Like oil and the wing mirrors. Alright, so we got us the oil pan here, and we're going to be putting this under the car. It's going under the car now. Look at this engine though. And there we got ourselves the filter, oil filter right there. More drain bits and the oil in there. Nice. Got ourselves a low profile jack. But we already got it off the ground, so we Gucci. Okay, so I just got here and there's oil everywhere. That's not how I expected it to go. Alright guys, so we have already gone ahead and we put the oil inside the car. We put the oil filter. We got everything that needs to be done already. So now we clean up and we get to the mirror caps. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so to take this puppy off, first you're going to need some type of wedge, preferably plastic, but this is all I could find, which it should be perfectly fine since we're going under the cover, not exactly on top of it, and we don't really need these old ones anymore anyways. So I have Gito hold the camera while I take these off. Alright guys, so instead I went ahead, got a tripod. They're more reliable than a Gito anyway, so I suggest using your money on a tripod.
Ryan Little.
There you go. You have the mirror off now. It's pretty dusty inside. See if I can get it to focus. Maybe we'll be okay. You can see it's a little dusty inside. And yeah, now we're at the back of the mirror now. We have mirrors right here. yeah, we're just going to, this is the wrong one. Got ourselves the right mirror. And now it's just as simple as putting it on. One done. Only one more to go on the other side.
FBT, you going crazy.
Alright guys, so this just about ends this video. So yeah, we replaced the oil filter, and the mirror caps, and it looks pretty stunning. I am gonna lie. My car, my dad's car, looks way better with those mirrors. Like, for real. Check those out. Those are really sick. So anyways, this ends this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.